Welcome to another video in the series, Assignments in Canvas using Google Docs. This particular video will deal with the student perspective, opening and turning in assignments. So what you're looking at now is an account that I've created for myself as a student, where I can take the assignments and see what that looks like from a student perspective. So here I would choose my math class, and I could go over here and see that I have assignments due. Again, lots of different ways I can get to the assignment. I can look at my calendar, and it should be on my calendar, and there it is, the homework assignment. So I'm going to click on that, and there's the calendar, details, click here to force copy of the assignment. So that's what I'm going to do. And this is what comes up. Would I like to make a copy of homework? So yes, I'm going to make a copy. Okay. Now any editing that I do is done simply on my copy and not the original, so I'm not competing with anybody else. It's simply my document that is on my Google Drive. So one of the first things I might want to do, especially as prescribed by the teacher or if prescribed by the teacher, is rename the document. And I'm just going to rename this one to Homework DG. Okay, and then I want to answer the questions. So what is a variable? And I put my cursor by the bullet, and I come up with an answer. So now you can see that I've typed in answers for all of the questions. If I want to, or if my teacher instructs me to, maybe I want to bold the answers that I have put in so she can tell those a little easier. He or she can see those a little easier. Okay, and there are the steps that I used when I was solving each problem. I just typed them out. Look at the first one, 3x plus 4 equals 25. So I took 4 from both sides. So when I took 4 away from this side, I just end up with 3x. When I take 4 away from 25, I get 21. So I wrote down there that 3x equals 21. Then I want to divide each side by the coefficient, which is 3. So 3x divided by 3 just leaves me with x. And 21 divided by 3 equals 7. So my answer is x equals 7. And then I want to be sure to put my answer over in the answer box. And I've done the same thing for the second one. Now if you'll notice there, I did get a wrong answer. I did get a wrong answer on some of these, but I did that because I want to show the teachers how that works with the rubric that they're going to use to grade this. Okay, but as far as just your end, you would type in all of the answers, and then when you are done, so just head back to your Canvas class and go to your dashboard, and you'll see you have things to do here, and one of them is to turn in homework. So I want to turn in that homework assignment. Okay, I click here, and the first thing that I need to do, it shows me the assignment. First thing I need to do is I'm going to use a Google Doc. So the default usually comes up File Upload, and I want to use a Google Doc. And since I didn't, since I left it in my Drive, my main folder, and didn't put it in another folder, that's where it is. So I can click on this. If I want to leave comments for the teacher, this was a hard assignment, this was a great assignment, I didn't understand question 3, you can leave comments for your teacher. And then when you are ready, and it does show you the rubric that your assignment is going to be graded by. So when you're ready and feel like everything's in place, just click Submit Assignment. It will upload that for your teacher. Got a little button here that tells you you've turned it in, so now it's going to come off of your feed. You don't have to be reminded to do it or to turn it in. You do have the option to resubmit the assignment. If you decide, oh, there's something I forgot to answer, or I understand this now, or I realize I made a mistake, you can always resubmit the assignment at a later time. And that's pretty much all there is when it comes to taking and submitting an assignment on Canvas.